gifters natin dyan. Kaya natin to, rank 11. Let's go, guys! 9,000 diamonds. Kaya ng Team Rise ito. Magtatap yan sila ng screen. Ayan o, grabe, magkakalahating milyon na yung top song. Ganyan ka-solid yan. Thank you, guys. Enjoy lang kayo dito, nako. Ako bahala sa inyo. Relax lang kayo dyan, okay? Salamat, gifters. It's not the flowers wrapped in fancy paper. It's not the ring I wear around my finger. There's nothing in all the world I need when I have you here beside me. Here beside me, so you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. Yes. Hi, Jay, sa lahat ng mga gifters natin and viewers, thank you so much. Welcome, guys. In your arms, I found a strength inside me, and in your eyes, there's a light to guide me. I will be lost without you, and all that my heart could ever. Yeah, so you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. Noted po sa Destiny. And yes, sa lahat ng mga viewers ko, thank you, guys. Sa mga nagtatap, magkakalahating milyon na po tayo. Our goal is 1 million taps. Sa mga masisipag po dyan, maraming salamat po. Water lang ako saglit. Hi sa lahat ng mga gifters. Thank you po, everybody. Let's go for rank 11. 9,000 diamonds. Hulihin natin ang diamond, guys. Hulihin natin ang lion. But I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all, and you give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. You belong with me. Sige po, noted po yan, Ma'am Geraldine. Yes. Lista natin yan. And once again, that was Your Love by Jake Brickman. And sabay-sabay nating hulihin at i-manifest at ipag-pray na makuha natin ang lion. Because if mache-check nyo, guys, dito sa aking account, pag pinindot nyo po ito, meron po tayong tinatawag dyan na gift gallery. And isa na lang po, dalawa na lang ang natitira natin hindi na iilawan, ang lion at ang TikTok star. So, goal natin yan. But, sana makapag-stream ako this week. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong date ang 11. Yun na po kasi yung flight ko. Pero, sana makuha natin at makumpleto natin yan. Like, every week. And, sige, kantayin natin tong Destiny. Yan. Yan. Sunday. So, kaya pa. Kaya pa makapag-live. So, kaya yan. Let's go, Summer. Donna Cosa sa lahat ng mga gifters natin, guys. Let's go for rank 11. Paambo na naman natin yan. Huwag na kayong mahiya. Sana makapag rank 10 tayo agad today kasi 9:36 na dito. And, anong tawag dito? Mamamasyal kami and may show ako mamayang 7. So, malay nyo makapag-rank 10 tayo agad, makapag-end ako na mas maaga. Kaya tap the screen na tayo dyan. Share the live. Sa lahat ng mga Team Ricey ko dyan, let's go. Manifesting Lion. Let's go. LA po, next destination. Thank you, Shaffer. What if... Oh, sige. Start na pala agad. Sorry. Ayan. Sorry. Ayan, dito lang sa Toronto pero it's a church. Oo, it's a church lang po. Ayan na, 2,200 viewers na tayo. Gawin natin 2,500 niya. Ang Team Ricey, let's go. Kalampagin natin ang TikTok Live Philippines. Tap the screen. Let's go for rank 11, everybody. What if I never knew? Hi, Angel. What if I never found you? Anong oras natulog na ikaw? Never have this feeling in my heart. Love you. How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. Wala, na-miss ko na may anak ko. I give my love to heaven, oh, and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. I wanted someone like you, someone that I could hold on to and give my love until the end of time. But forever was just a word, something I'd only heard about. But now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe. Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to heaven, oh, and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. Ba yan? Sorry guys. Ano oras na kasi naisip ko gising pa yung anak ko. May pasok pa yun bukas. Oh. 10:30 na dyan, no? Eh, maaga papasok nun, 8:30. Tapos, wala kasi ako ng ano niya, ng 18-month. Oo, nung nakaraang araw. Tapos kahapon, Chinese New Year niya sa school. So, wala ako. So, syempre, nakakalungkot. Wala ako sa mga moments na yun. Kasi kailangan ko maging andito. May trabaho ako dito, yes. May kailangan akong gawin. Pero para sa kanya naman yun, oo. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to and all. And as far as I can see, from now until eternity, you were always my destiny. Yes. Miss you, Angel. I love you. Mami loves you. See you soon. Onti na lang. Isang city na lang. Uwi na din ako. Finally. So, gusto ko na umuwi. But, syempre, first time natin. Kailangan sulitin. Explore. Pero ang hirap pala ng malayo. Tulog na ikaw, Angel. May pasok ka pa bukas. Anong oras na? Gigising pa ikaw. Tulog na. Yan. Minsan kasi hindi yan natutulog eh. Pag nagla-live ako. Sabi ng mama ko, kumakatok daw yan sa kwarto ko. Chine-check niya. Eh, wala ako doon ngayon. So, nakaka-sad. Pero kailangan matatag ka. Kasi lahat naman ng ginagawa mo para naman sa anak mo eh. Yes. Yan. Keisha, let's go. Ilang taon na baby mo, Rai? Noong February 5, 18 months na siya actually. So, isa't kalahati. Oo. Kailangan natin magtrabaho kasi mag 2 years old na siya.